So today we will continue the same thing, that is what we have seen the last time. So to prove that some trigonometric expressions, so prove that 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is greater than or equal to 0 for all theta belongs to R. So 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is greater than or equal to 0. That means it is positive, right? So we know that if A is a square of, so a square is always greater than or equal to 0. Right? So if you want to show something is greater than 0, if you prove that is the square of the some real number, right? So we'll try to convert this 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta as the square of something, right? Okay, so we'll take the solution. 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta, right? So we put the value of 1 in terms of sin and cos. That is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? So cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, right? And this is nothing but expansion of cos theta minus sin theta bracket square, right? So this is what? Cos theta minus sin theta bracket square, right? And the square of any number is always positive, right? So therefore, so this is what? Greater than or equal to 0. So therefore 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is greater than or equal to 0. Next, show that tan square theta plus cot square theta is greater than or equal to 2. Is greater than or equal to 2. So what we have to prove? Tan square theta plus cot square theta is greater than or equal to 2. That means what we have to prove? This is suppose if you want to prove a greater than or equal to 2. Right? So if you show that this is what a square plus 2 b square, your a is same as b square plus 2. Right? Now your b is positive now. B square is positive, not b. Whatever b may be, your b square is positive, your 2 is positive. Right? So whatever this may be, it is what? It is positive. Sum of two positive number is positive. So it is what? Greater than or equal to 2 now. Right? Because this number is positive. So that means what we have to do? You have to prove that your a means what? Tan square theta plus cot square theta is same as the square of some number plus 2. Right? So you have to express this tan square theta plus cos square theta as the square of some number plus 2. Right? So if you do this, then your problem will be over. Right? So we'll take this one. So this is what? So take solution. Tan square theta plus cot square theta, tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to, okay? So we convert this in terms of tan now. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta plus tan square theta. So this is same as tan theta square, right? 1 upon tan theta square, right? So this is of the form a square plus b square. This is of the form a square plus b square. Middle term is not there. So you cannot write that is the square of something. So what we will do now, this is nothing but what? A plus b square. Right? A plus b square minus twice ab. Minus twice ab. So instead of this, we can write this is what? A square plus minus b square. A minus b. This is also we can do this. Right? Plus twice ab now here. Now here we want to prove this is what you want here plus 2. Therefore we will use this identity. A minus b square plus twice ab. Right? So we will write this is what your a square, this is your b square. So we may write this, right? So this is what? Tan theta minus 1 upon tan theta bracket square, right? Plus 2 tan theta into 1 upon tan theta, right? So this is equal to tan theta minus 1 upon tan theta bracket square plus 2. So whatever this may be, it may be 0, it is what? You have to prove this is less than or greater than or equal to, right? But this is positive. And it is what? If you add two positive number, if you add positive number in 2, the number will be greater than 2, right? So this is greater than or equal to 2. So therefore your tan square theta plus cos square theta is always greater than 2. Next, if sin theta is equal to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, then find the values of cos theta, tan theta in terms of x and y. In terms of x and y. Okay. So what we are given? We are given sin theta and cos theta. And what you want? We are given the sin theta in terms of x and y. You also want cos theta and tan theta in terms of x and y. Okay. So solution. Given that sin theta is equal to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square. Okay. Okay. So you want cos, right? So what we'll do? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So we'll write that. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So no matter theta is not given, so we'll accept both the value plus or minus, right? Okay, so 1 minus sin square theta means what? X square minus y square upon x square plus y square bracket square, right? So this is what? X square plus y square bracket square minus x square minus y square bracket square upon x square plus y square bracket square. So what here? Instead of taking the square, so these are of the form a plus a square minus b square, right? So you can do a plus b and a minus b. So first take the addition and then take the subtraction. So this will what? If you take the addition, then your y square get cancelled. Then this is what? Twice x square. So this will what? In the first bracket, this is twice x square, right? Then minus. So what do we get? A square. We get a product. A minus b into a plus b, right? So this is a plus b. So we'll do a minus b now. So a minus b means what? Subtract this from this. So what we get? Your x square get cancelled. So you get only the y square. That is what? Twice y square upon x square plus y square bracket square, right? So no need to expand all those things, right? So if you want to expand it, you can do this. No problem for this one, right? So if you want to expand this, you can expand this. X to the power 4, then this is x to the power 4, right? They are equal but opposite get cancelled. Y to the power 4, y to the power, the minus is here. The middle term will be remains only here. Twice x square plus y, twice x square y square, and here minus become plus twice x square. Now see, this is 4x square y square. Okay. So now you want cos theta now. You want cos theta, right? So all others are square. So what? The power 2 will get cancelled only. So what will be then? Plus or minus you have to write then. This is what? 2xy upon x square plus y square. Right? This will be the value of cos theta in terms of x and y, right? Now what do you want then? So see, you get us, you have sin theta, you have cos theta. You can find any trigonometric function now, right? So what you want now? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. So you will get plus or minus. So now see, both the denominators are same. So only the denominator gets cancelled. You have to take only the numerator and denominator. So this is what? X square minus y square upon twice xy. This is your tan theta. Right? So very simple. Next. If sec theta is equal to root 2 and 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi, then evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus cosec theta upon 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay. So see, what was given? Sec theta is given. Now here see, this is what there is cot, there is cosec, there is tan, right? So better to find sin and cos, right? So you are given the sec, that means you are given the cos, right? Okay, solution. Given that sec theta is equal to root 2. So this is very important. 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi, right? So cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is what? 3 pi by 2. No need to write this now. Okay. We are already done. Now you have cos theta. So we'll find the value of sin theta, right? So sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus 1 half, right? 1 minus 1 half, it is also half. So sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 now, right? Okay, so now theta is given. So we have to take the plus sign or minus sign, that is depend on the theta. Position of the theta is given to you. Apply that condition now. Theta lies in which quadrant? In the fourth quadrant, right? In which quadrant theta? Theta is what here? This is 2 pi means 360 and 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. So 270, 360. It is in the fourth quadrant. So theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta lies in fourth quadrant, right? And in fourth quadrant, what is your sign? All silver teacups, right? Only cos is positive there, right? So sin theta is negative. So sin theta less than 0. Strictly less than 0, that quadrant, right? Sin theta is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative, right? Or you may write here sin theta is negative, right? If you are not able to write this less than, greater than, right? Okay. So your sin theta is what then? Minus 1 by root 2. Now see what you want then? You want tan theta. So therefore tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta is 1 minus 1 by root 2 and cos theta is 1 by root 2. So this is minus 1. Your tan theta is minus 1. So what you want then? You want cot theta also, right? So cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta. So this is minus 1. Then you want what? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. You have the value of sin theta. So this is minus root 2. Right? So all values we have. Now we'll take our expression. So which you want to be valued. So therefore 1 plus tan theta. Write all the expressions, right? And then we'll substitute the value of this one. This is equal to 1. What is the value of tan theta? 1 plus minus 1 plus your cosec theta is what? Minus root 2. Write in bracket upon 1 plus minus 1 minus root 2. Right? Now this 1 get cancelled. So this is minus root 2. Again this 1 will get cancelled. This is root 2. So this is minus 1. So value of this one is what? Minus 1. Next, prove that sin square A cos square B plus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B plus sin square A sin square B is equal to 1. So now see, there are 4 terms, right? So if you see such type of the problems, right? So these will look, these are what very complicated problem, but such problems are very easy. So what we will take LHS because there is no option. If you take the RHS, we don't have the option, right? So we'll take LHS. So what to do now? We'll take solution. Take LHS. LHS is equal to what to do? So sin square cos square. See what to do? See, this is sin square A cos square B. And if you take the sin square A common, you should get cos square B plus sin square B. Is there the term sin square A sin square B? Yes, there is term sin square A sin square B. Right? So what we'll do? We'll take the sin square A common. What we get then? Cos square B plus sin square B, and that will be 1. Right? Okay. So here we will take this sin square A cos square B plus sin square B. And for other 2 terms, see other 2 terms. The other 2 terms. Now here what? You can take cos square A common. So if you take cos square A common, then what we get? Sin square B plus cos square B. Right? Now this is 1. This is also 1. Right? So what we get then? Sin square A plus cos square A. Right? This is 1. So therefore this will be sin square A. That is 1. Therefore that will be cos square A. Now sin square A plus cos square A. This is 1. This is very simple problem. Right? So there are 4 terms. Right? And the squares are there. Right? Just by observation it is complicated. Right? But if you solve this, then it is very easy. Go on solving this. Next, prove that 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta upon sec cube theta minus cosec cube theta is equal to sin square theta cos square theta. So here what? Denominator is not there. That means you have to think a little bit of the denominator. Okay. So we'll take the LHS. So take LHS. LHS is equal to okay, so what we will do? So only your RHS there is only sin and cos, right? So we'll convert this problem in terms of sin and cos, right? So we'll convert this in terms of sin and cos. So see what happened there. 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta upon sec cube theta means what? 1 upon cos cube theta minus cosec cube to 1 means 1 upon sin cube theta. Okay. So we'll do the addition of the numerator and denominator also. So what do we get? So here what if you take what is your LCM? Sin theta cos theta. Right? So what we get then? Cos theta sin theta cos theta here. Right? This one else. Right? Because what? Your LCM is sin theta cos theta. You have to multiply this. Then what here you have to multiply by cos theta. So this will what? Cos square theta. Right? Then you have to multiply here by sin theta. So plus sin square theta. Sin square theta upon sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta upon, again take the cross multiplication for this one. So this is what is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon cos cube theta sin cube theta upon sin cube theta. So you have to do carefully. So what we will do now? Now see, the denominator is sin theta cos theta. This is also cos cube. So 1 get cancelled. But this is the denominator. It will be come at the numerator. So what we will do? We will take this cos square theta sin square theta aside, right? And then we will do this one, right? So this will what here? So what we will do? This is what? Cos square theta sin square theta. And we will take the other part now here. We will take only the numerator of numerator and denominator of numerator of the denominator now, right? So this is what then sin theta cos theta. This will be plus 1 now. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 into sin theta minus cos theta upon what we get? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So you can factorize this. Right? So what is the factor of a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is same as what? A minus b factor. Right? The square of the first one plus product of this, right? Plus just product, not take twice of that one. Right? And plus the square of the second one now. Right? These are the factor of a cube minus b cube. Now this is your a cube minus b cube. We'll factorize this upon. So this is what? Sin theta. You have to take the no need to take the care of the minus now. But only we have to take the care of this one, right? Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Then the square of the first one, right? The sin square theta plus product of this one. So the product will be what? Sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Okay? And then the square of the second one. This is what? Cos square theta. Right? Now see, the sin theta cos theta get cancelled. Right? And this is same as what? Again this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. This is also 1 plus sin theta cos theta. It will also get cancelled. Right? Because they are the same. That means what we get only. So what you want, see your RHS. Sin square first one or cos square one. What you want first? Sin square theta cos square theta. Right? Here what? Here cos square theta. Just we will write sin square theta first one. Sin square theta cos square theta. Right? And now this is your RHS. So I will prove. Okay, the next one. Prove that tan theta plus 1 upon cos theta bracket square plus tan theta minus 1 upon cos theta bracket square is equal to 2 times 1 plus sin square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so we'll take LHS, right, and we'll prove RHS. Okay, so take LHS. So LHS is equal to, so what we'll do, we'll write 1 upon cos theta as 1 upon cos theta is sec square sec theta, and if you take the square of that one, see what we'll get. So first we'll take sec theta and that sec theta. So see what we get there. So if we expand this, what we get then 2 tan square theta. The middle term will get cancelled then, right? Then 1 upon cos square, 2 upon cos square theta. So that also we can do this one, right? Directly expand this, right? So we'll try for direct expand, right? Directly we'll expand this. What we get then? So see, middle term get cancelled now. Here the plus sign, here minus sign, right? So okay, we'll directly we'll expand this. What? Tan square theta plus 2 tan theta upon cos theta. Just we'll write this, right? Plus 1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta plus tan square theta. Plus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos square theta. Okay. So now see, the middle term get cancelled. This middle term get cancelled. So tan square theta, 2 tan square theta is there, right? So 2 sin square theta upon cos square theta, right? Tan square means minus, so not minus, so plus 2 upon cos square theta. 2 upon cos square theta, right? See, we get the solution. So take 2 common, right? And the denominators are same. So we will take the sum of this one, right? Sin square theta plus 1 upon cos square theta, right? No need to do, see, this 1 upon cos theta, right? Directly we can do this. So now, see, this is cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. See, we get a result now. This is what? 1 plus sin square theta. We may write this is what? Sin square theta plus 1 minus sin square theta, and that we want. Next, prove that 2 sec square theta minus sec to the power 4 theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus cosec to the power 4 theta is equal to cot to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. So there is cot and tan in the RHS. So what we will do, we will express your sec to the power 4 and this cosec to the power 4 as a square, and then we'll see what happens there. Well, okay, so we'll take LHS now. So everywhere what there is a sec square and cosec square. Each term contains sec square or cosec square, right? And you know that the sec square, there is a relation between sec square and tan square, cosec square and tan square. So what we do? Now see, this is your LHS. Write all in terms of tan now. So this is what then? 2. We'll write this as it is, right? Minus sec square theta bracket square minus 2. So cosec square theta as it is plus cosec to the power 4. You can write cosec square theta bracket square. Now we express in terms of tan and cot. And just simplify, we must get the required result. So 2 sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta bracket square minus 2 minus 2 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta bracket square yes. Okay, now just expand and simplify. So what we get then, this is 2 plus 2 tan square theta minus 1 minus 2 tan square theta minus tan to the power 4 theta, right? Just expand, take the care of the minus sign and the expansion of the this, all will become minus now, because what here all terms are positive, all terms become negative because there is minus sign. Minus 2 cot square theta, right? Then plus 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus cot to the power 4 theta. Now see which terms are equal. So now see, this is 2 minus 1 and this is my, this 2 get cancelled here and 1 get cancelled here. So no constant term is there. So now 2 tan square theta, this is 2 tan square theta, right? Get cancelled. Now this is 2 cot square theta, this is what, minus 2, this is plus 2, so get cancelled, right? And constant get cancelled. So what we get then, minus 2 tan square theta, they get cancelled, right? This is what then, minus tan to the power 4 and cot to the power 4, only these two terms are remains. So this is what, cot to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta, right? So we get the solution required. This is your RHS. So we are through. Independently you have to solve this. Next. Two sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to minus 3 sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Oh, solution. So we'll take LHS. We have to simplify this, and what we have to prove, all terms get cancelled because there is 0, right? All terms get cancelled. So now see, this is power 6 is here, power 4 is here, right? So what we do? So a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, suppose. This is nothing but a square cube plus b square cube, right? So this is out of form a cube plus b cube now. So you can factorize this, right? So what we will do? We will factorize this. Again, this is of the form what? A square plus b square square. So you know that this is what, a square plus b square same as what? A square plus b square same as what? A plus b bracket square minus twice ab. Right? Or you may write here minus. So see which we want here actually. Okay, so here plus, okay, we want plus here. It will be 1 then becomes. It will becomes 1. So it will be better to take plus sign now. If you take the minus sign, then it will be what? Then we have to struggle this. So better to take the plus sign now. Okay, so we'll do this. So this is now your 2. We write in bracket. Okay, so we'll expand this. So what is the expansion of a cube plus b cube? A plus b. Right? So your a is what? Sine square theta. Your b is what? Cos square theta. So first bracket, sine square theta plus cos square theta. Then what? The square of the first one. The square of the first one is what? Sine to the power 4 theta plus product of this one, sine square theta, cos square theta, cos square theta plus cos to the power, you have to take the minus sign over here, because if you take the plus sign here, you have to take the minus sign. If here there is minus, then there should be plus now. So cos to the power 4 theta, bracket complete, right? Then this is minus, this is minus 3 now. Again we'll write in bracket. Now we'll write this is what? A square plus b square, right? So a square plus b square is same as what? A plus b square, right? So your a is what? Your sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, bracket square, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1 now. Right? Now see, this will be your 1 now. This will be your 1 now. Again the problem is here, this is also 1 also, right? Now problem is here also, here what? Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. We'll do for that one also, right? Okay, so this is what 2 into, we'll just write this is 1. So no need to write this is what? 1 into. So this is what 2 into now, right? This will be 1 now. So what we will get now here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, bracket square. Now this is what we will get, minus 2, and minus is also there. So it will become minus 3 now. So minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, right? So this will become, so no need to write that one, right? So now here what? So if you simplify this, see whether you get this or not, right? So if you simplify this, we must get this, right? So we are getting this. Then minus 3. So this will be 1 square is 1, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. Now open all the bracket. So this is 1 now. Open all the bracket now. So this will what then? 2 minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Now then minus is there, right? So minus 3 plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. You have to take the care, if you are opening bracket, take the care of the plus minus. Now see the constant is what? Take the plus sign. This is 2 plus 1 is 3 now. Now take the sum of the negative sign now. So there is only 1, right? So that is minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3, constant will remove now. Now this is minus 6 and this is what? Plus. Both the terms are same but they are opposite. So this is 0. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. So suppose this problem came for the objective competitive exam. This value is what? Some options are given 1, 3, 2, minus 1, suppose like this, right? So what we have to do? So we have to choose a particular value of theta now. So it is better to take, see there is no denominator, better to take the value theta as 0 now, right? So we know that cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So now see which value we get now here. If you put theta is equal to 0. So if you put theta is equal to 0, so this sin theta is 0. This is 1. So that means this bracket is 2 now. Then what? So this is 0. This is 1. Then this is what? Minus 3. And the plus 1. See 0. Where is 0? 0 is here. Right? So see we get the value 0. Right? How to face the competitive exam. Right? But how to face the written exam? For this is what? This is written exam. Right? Now it is very complicated now. See, right? Within a minute you cannot solve this sum. Right? So in this way you have to do this one. You have to put a particular value of theta and you have to check your answer. Right? So if you do this manually, right, by simplifying, so that is not possible. Right? Within a 30 seconds you cannot solve this one. Right? If you want to do this in the 30 seconds, you have to do this. Right? Put a value. So you may take pi by 2. right? So you know that cos pi. See, if you take the pi by 2. So now see here what if there are two possible values, then the problem will arise, right? So if you take the pi, suppose, so you know that cos pi is minus 1, right? So see, sin pi is 0. So this is 0. Cos pi is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 6 is 1 now, because power is even. So again this is what? 2 now, right? Then minus 3. So this is what? Cos pi 0. Then this is what? Cos pi is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 in, right? This is even. So again this is 1. So 1, this is minus 3 then. And the plus 1, again see, this is 0. Right? So if this problem is in the competitive exam, don't do this is what, simplify this by your usual rule, and don't show that this is what 0, 1, this is it. Right? So in this way you can face the trigonometric functions. Next. Prove that sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to take LHS or RHS. Right? So if you want to take the RHS, right? So you cannot do anything now, right? You have to take LHS only. No option for RHS now. So take LHS. Take LHS and prove your RHS. Now see, the problem is very simple now. Right? See here, sin theta plus cos theta, and this is a cube plus b cube. It is better to take factorize this one. Here also what? Sin theta minus cos theta, and this is a cube minus b cube. Factorize this one. Your denominator get cancelled. See what happened in the numerator, that we will discuss later on, right? So at least your denominator get cancelled, right? Okay, so factorize the numerator. So this is what? Sin theta plus cos theta, right? So sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus, if you don't have the enough space, right, then if you have to take the term in the down line, so come from plus sign now. Don't write here plus or half term here, right? Take the plus sign here. So now what here? Sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus, because here is minus, so sin theta cos theta, then square of it, cos square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now your denominator get cancelled. Okay, only numerators are remains. Now see, numerators, this is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So in the first term your numerator is what? 1 minus sin theta cos theta. The middle sign is plus now, so no problem here. Take the numerator as it is now. So your second numerator is what? 1 plus sin theta cos theta. 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Now see, the middle term get, see, minus sin theta cos theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is your RHS. Right? So very easy. Now Suppose this problem is, you have to face this competitive exam now, right? So what is the answer is what 2 now here. So in the option it is given 2 now. So what we do? So the problem is asked like this: the value of this, right? So value of this expression is given. So options are given to you. Somewhere 2, 0, 1, -1, whatever this one. So what we do now? So what your denominator here plus here, right? So sine and cos is there. That means what? Choose the value of theta such way that your denominator will not become a 0, right? So if you put the pi by 4, then this will what? You know that sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 are same. So you cannot take the value pi by 4, right? So first try for 0 now. So if you see the first denominator, or some tan is not there now there, or cot is not there, because cot 0 is not defined, cot 0 is defined, but tan 0 is not defined. No, tan 0 is defined, cot 0 is not defined, right? Because for cot 0 there is sine is at the denominator, so cot 0 is not. So everybody will be defined for that theta. So for theta everybody is defined. For theta is equal to 0, everybody is defined. And see, your denominator is also not equal to 0. So you may put theta is equal to 0. So if you put theta is equal to 0, what happens then? Your sine 0 is 0. So this here what we get 1 now. This term becomes 1 now. Because this is 0, this is 0. 1 cube is 1. This is 1. Now here what this is 0, this is 0. Again minus is there now. So minus become plus now. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Right? So this is where, and you see the option there is 2. So this one, right? Okay. So this what actually for the problem is only to face the competitive exam, right? In this way you can face the competitive. But see, somewhere your option is like this: sine theta, then this is what cos theta minus sine theta, right? And this is what 2 is somewhere now. But see that if you put theta is equal to 0, then this 0 is there, right? So two options are same. But no bother about this is what there is 2 now, right? If your answer is 2 now, then you will. But this is also in terms of this. So suppose this is what 2 sin theta then, or 2 cos theta then. Okay, no problem for here also. This is what 2 cos theta. So now what here also you have to put theta is equal to 0, which gives your 2 now. So only this gives your 2 now, right? That means this will be your answer then. This may be your, but see here anywhere there is no 2. But see, if here is 2 now, then if here 2 is also there and 2 cos theta is also there. Now then what? Then what? You cannot do this one. You cannot put theta is equal to 0 now, because there are 2 options are correct now here. So you cannot put theta is equal to 0, right? So in options also we should not get the 2 values same. We should not get the 2 same values, right? If you put theta is equal to 0, then what? There are 2 same value. That means that means what? You have to put theta is equal to some 30 degree, 40 degree, or pi some. If you take the pi, so this pi, if you take the pi, then this will what? This will be 0, no problem here. So it will be -2 and this will be 2. But these 2 options are same now for pi, right? But check now your answer is what? Is it 2 or -2? So if it is 2 or -2, then we are through. If it is -2, then this will be your answer. If it is 2, then your answer, right? Try for like this, right? So I hope that you understand this one. You saw the number of problems on the trigonometry. So all the problems are based on the fundamental identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square is same as cosec square theta, right? With the help of three identities, you have to do all the problems. I hope that you can solve the rest of the problems, right? So tomorrow we'll go to the second chapter of the trigonometry, right? And that chapter is very important here. Here what only we have seen the application of the fundamental identity, and in that chapter what we will see, how to, suppose we have the formula, we want to obtain the formula like this: sin A plus sin B. Now we have to take the sum of the sin A and sin B. Now right now we cannot take the sum of this one, right? So there is a power of the trigonometry. You can express sum as the product, and you can express, this is what? This is the product. This is the product, right? You can express this as the sum of the 2 terms now. This is the single term. So power of the trigonometry is what? Trigonometry can convert the number of terms into single term, and single term into number of terms, right? that is only power in the trigonometric function, right? So that we'll do now, right, in the next lecture. Okay, so we'll stop here.